BRM Masonry offers a $500 discount on projects done in May, June, or July.
Our commitment to revitalization is clear in projects like this beautiful building. It's a testament to what we can achieve together.
For over 2 decades, our team has been dedicated to preserving properties
across Akron and Cleveland, Ohio.
Masonry isn't just about bricks and mortar. It's about history,
durability, and the very foundation of our homes and businesses.
But over time, even the strongest structures can show signs of wear. From crumbling mortar and damaged bricks to leaky chimneys. These can compromise the safety and value of your property.
At BRM, we offer expert residential and commercial restoration,
specialized chimney repair, and the creation of stunning outdoor living spaces.
We blend time-honored techniques with modern innovation.
Our aerial drone inspections allow us to conduct accurate assessments,
identifying issues that are invisible from the ground.
We take immense pride in restoring the architectural DNA of northeastern Ohio.
We believe in using only the highest grade materials, ensuring that every project is a lasting investment for generations. Our clients consistently praise our professionalism and exceptional quality.
Hello, and thank you for joining us. Today, I want to highlight the key features that make this development unique.
Whether it's a small repair or a major transformation, we exceed expectations.
Visit masonryresto.com or call us today for a free site audit.